Welcome to Pradivage Finance. We are presenting Nasdaq predictions. Here we are going to tell you about what is the Nasdaq prediction we were expecting after Donald Trump is into the administration. So, frankly speaking, whatever impact has India expected after the Trump administration start working, probably that is not shown. But according to us, the reverse ways it's showing. So is it negative impact or is it positive impact? Let us know in comments. Right now we are not concentrating on the politics in the US government, but we are expecting the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 27th of Jan 2025 till 2nd of the Feb 2025 by Vridivesh Finance. So Vridivesh Finance have new predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 20th of Jan 2025 till 25th Jan 2025. The composite index may give it to you maximum pick of the week, which will be around 20,050 points. It can give some sort of stability around 19,800 points. Suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 19,200 points. Nasdaq 100, we were expecting 21,850 point maximum. It can touch up to. It can give you a flat trend around 21,550 point, and minimum lower end it can goes down up to 20,950 points. Yes, we have not released any equity analysis for Nasdaq index. Nasdaq. So yeah, actually, whatever 2025 is going on, we had to run on roller coaster, and we are not into the place or our devices, health issues. So it's going on. Anyways, guys, let us see. So let us see here what predictions we have predicted in the last week. Unfortunately, it hasn't turned up in that manner. It has shown some sustainability over here. I mean, only it has moved the whole week around less number of points according to us. Let us see what Nasdaq Composite Index has performed and how it has gone. So Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite Index has quite shown a sustainability. It has ranged between for Nasdaq Composite Index has 19,600 till 20,000 points, where if you see the Nasdaq, why there is a lot of sustainability. But if you see, we are having another channel for Crypto Blush where we have predicted about BTC, how much it will be gain or how much it will be lose till what time. Probably this time has came now. If you see in the one of our video, we have told that BTC will touch uh, uh, by around 93,000, uh, sorry, 93 lakhs, I guess. No, no, no. Yes, 93 lakhs INR. So we are telling in INR rather than Santoshi or SAT or even USD. So here we have given the predictions in INR. You can check converter via converter into USD, or you can say you can check out our Crypto Blush video, and that's quite probably by this week our target will be get achieved in case of BTC, because the BTC is working in a different manner, but Nasdaq has reversely. So we have seen the trend during the November when the Donald Trump has won the election in US government, and that moment both market is at a high end and apart from that, BTC is also at the high end. But right now it's a contrary. So let us see what magic can market show, whether it's a reversal, whether it's contrary, because as we have seen, the current market has show some sustainability, and market has dumped the things in the month of December. Oh, well, whatever unexpected things happening right now, or whatever unexpected thing we are expecting in upcoming months. So we are not going to predict it in, because we have not done deep analysis right now. We are just predicting randomly. Let us see what this week we can predict it. So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 27 Jan to 027 till 2nd of the Feb to 025. So composite index maximum higher end, it can goes up to 20,150 point. It can show some sort of stability. 19,550 points. Suppose it goes down, it can go below 19,400 or even 19,000. Nasdaq 100 maximum higher end, we were expecting 21,950 point or 21. Oh, that's quite strange. And so here we were expecting stability around 21,250 points. And suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 20,950 points. So we were expecting this week probably downtrend. So let us see what both the indices may say, speak about it. We will start IPO listing in US market. I believe it. We are not prepared right now because we had to learn a lot of things. Anyways, guys, and then we will buy one any another device, and then we probably may give it to and hit to the market or dump to the market or whatsoever. So we are not scared by Donald Trump administration because we are sitting in India. I mean, Hindenburg report has literally closed. I mean, whatever that Hindenburg has really closed, shut down. Probably they will open up later on, because see, power is always there. It influences few startup, it influences few businesses. Yes, there are the number of manipulations in economy. I mean, business to business, people do manipulation and then they do the business, is the reality. And the people may criticize Hindenburg, but we are not going to criticize anybody. So we have one idea about over here, that Hindenburg also should not shut down. They can concentrate on one another way. I mean, the way they are doing their business, or exposing frauds, is good for people even. It's not just good for 1%, 2%, 10%, 10 businessmen, but the huge amount of investors invested into their business, they need a transparency. I believe it human rights says about transparency where they are investing is literally mandatory. So exposing anybody is not bad, even the political leader or even though the businessman. So it's nothing. People, yes, businessmen also do the mistake. They are having the rules, they should follow practices, rules and regulation. See, suppose one businessman is an investor in another businessman's venture, and suppose that venture goes down and that businessman lose his money, how he feel it. So they also think about as an investor's point of view. There is nothing wrong, there is nothing bad. If somebody is exposing, somebody is manipulating, then see, every business do manipulation. That's the truth. Anyways, we are not going to say the fact, everyone knows the fact. So it's all about predictions. We are not going to manipulate over here anybody, but we will say Prithvish Finance gives a prediction, and that is based on a statistic. Okay, that's based on number, and chart analysis is purely we are not into the management, and so that's the reason. That's it all about Prithvish Finance. IPO listing, do you guys really need it? I mean, next month, then will be what that our our prophecy has hit to the market has started in the month of Feb or ending of the Jan, I guess so. And in an consequent, what we can say, surprising, probably we are going to start listing in US market too. So let us see what we can deliver to the market. But you should share, subscribe our channel. As more number of channels may subscribe it, then we will get encouragement to give a listing on IPOs, because we are making in videos and nobody watching. One or two people are just watching our YouTube channel. That really makes sense. I don't think so. Yes, if you see the our 1 to 2 video, it's like a daily making YouTube is quite challenging for us. Have a great day. Happy Sunday in advance. Bye bye.